We were buying the pound yesterday and we hit both of our targets. And after hitting our targets, initially we had a move. We tested the support area right here. After testing it, we went on to hit both of our targets. And once we hit both of our targets, guys, the price came down, the trend continued, the correction was over. We broke this support, turned this support into resistance. After turning it into resistance, guys, we went on to hit both of our targets. And now we are back up again. So, guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today? Okay, guys, I'm going to go down to the 15-minute. Yep, and it's the same as the 1H. Guys, for today, as long as the price stays above 1.36128, guys, I am bullish. And as it's a Friday, I would have only one small target, and that would be located at 1.36496. Because, guys, Fridays can be very crazy and they can leave you trapped. So I don't want to get trapped. I want to be prepared for the next week, be fresh for the next week. Don't have any trades left over from the last week, so that record my judgment for the next week. Anyways, we could add a second target as well at 1.36714. Anyways, guys, if we break below this, we will be then going for 1.35863. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.